Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when in Windows 11 your Wi-Fi is not working. So how you can fix this, let's get started. First what you have to do is press Windows plus R on your keyboard and then it will open this run. You have to type ncpa.cpl, click OK, and then it will open your network connections. Here if you find your Wi-Fi, just right click on your Wi-Fi, disable it, and then right click again and then enable it. If this doesn't work, what you have to do is right click on your start menu, go over to device manager and click on network adapters. Now double click on this family controller and now go over to driver, click on update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers and then click close and then restart your PC. Hopefully your problem solved, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.